We need how we can use switches in EVE-NG. Similar procedure. First, you need to log into WinSCP. When you log in, on left side this is your machine, on right side this is EVE-NG, and maybe they can park you en route. So you need to click on this up arrow, and up arrow you need to go to this place. The place is OPT, then UNetLab, then ADSON, then IOL, and then bin directory for switches. For router we go to another place, yeah. So keep in mind it's separate. And now you may require switches, so I already give you a link to download. And if you want to unzip, right click on switch, go to 7-zip and extract the switches. So it will extract, because it will not copy the zip file, it will not work, so you need to unzip. So now let's go. Again I need to open WinSCP. This the beauty, I save it, yeah. So if I click WinSCP here again, WinSCP is here. Okay, so it's showing me both. I need this one and click login. You don't need to type the username and password. Do you think that's the right directory to put the switches images? No. So click on this folder, and I need to go to ILO, this one, and then bin. So now I'm in the right directory for switches: OPT, UNetLab, ADSON, ILO, and bin. And now I need the switches images on my system. So left side is my system. So up arrow and go to switches images. I already download and keep in one folder ready. So go to switches. You can change the drive anytime from here. Sorry. These are the drive, okay. So these are the switches. Keep in mind this file is very important. Switches will not work without this file. This is a license file for these switches to use them. Router can be work without this file, but you need to copy all these to this bin directory. You see there is L2 and L3 written, yeah, somewhere there, yeah, L3. So the image which is start with L3, this is router, and the images which start with L2, these are switches images. But can we use this switches as a multi-layer switches? I told you some switches are work as a router, and this is called yes. So this L2 switches can be used as a L3 as well and as a L2 as well. But just to distinguish, so they written L2. L2 means this is switch, and L3 means this is router. Okay. So we have now two type of router: ISO router which we install, and these are IOUL router, IOU router switch. It says copy. Again, what I need to do? Putty and up arrow, I need to type this command again. You can Google it and you can copy and paste. Okay, done. Now let's go to nodes. Now where I can find these switches? Let's go down. Can you see the switches? No. So the switches are in this folder, IOL. This is called IOL. I think so. I written what is IOL. If I mention IOL, I think so, internal operating system, local or something is, you know, these switches are made by Cisco to use in their lab, but somebody copy them and now everybody is using this one. So that's why it's called IOL. So if I go back, so the switches are not available. You need to go to Cisco IOL, and any image which is start with L2 is switch, and any image with L3 is called router. So this is router, this is router, but I need a switch. So go to any switch and change the name, because it will show you router. This the thing which you need to do. So switch and change the icon as well to switch. Click on S and go to down, there will be switch, yeah, that's it. So I say L2, change the name, change the icon, no need to do anything, and click save. And now my switch is ready. Right click and start. If your file is okay, license file and everything, this switch will run. So now click and open in this one and enter, because it will not show, you need to enter, and switch is here. So show VLAN brief, and you can see there is VLAN and everything available. So my switches are ready, and whenever you don't need, right click and stop. So we install the switches as well. So these two things which we require. I log in. Left side is my local machine. I can go to any drive, any folder, anything where my devices are available. And this right side is the EVE-NG. Okay, download the switches from this link. I already mentioned link here again, and unzip the switches images and copy the images with this file and paste them here. Either drag, apply this command, and now go to Cisco IOL and any image and then run it and use it.